A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. You ever eat something yet and it's sweet so till, and then later on, it run your belly? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today, me I go read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 10 from verse 1 to verse 11. Then me see one another powerful angel a come down from heaven, and him did have one cloud wrap round him like clothes, and one rainbow over his head, and him face shine bright like the sun, and him foot them come in like some column we make out of fire. The angel did have one little roll-up book open up in his hand. Him turn up with him right foot pan the sea and him left foot pan the land. Then him bawl out with one loud voice like when one lion a roar. When him bawl out, me hear 7 thunder roll. When the 7 thunder roll, me did out for write down what them say. But somebody in heaven say to me, say, no tell nobody what the 7 thunder them say. No write it down. Then the angel where did turn up on the sea and on the land, lift up him right hand to heaven. And he make the promise here upon the Lord. The Lord will live forever and ever. The Lord will make heaven and everything way up there. The Lord will make the earth and everything upon it. And the Lord will make the sea and everything way in there. Him say, this year, nah go wait no longer. When the time come for angel number 7, blow film trumpet, God's secret plan a go come true. It a go come true, same like how God did tell him prophet them, say it a go happen. Same time, the voice when me did hear from heaven talk to me again. Him say, you see the angel will turn up on the sea and on the land with the open roll-up book in him hand? Go take it from him. So, me go to the angel and ask him to give me the little roll-up book. Him said to me, say, see it here, take it and yam it. It a go taste sweet like honey in your mouth, but it a go make your stomach sour. So, me take the little roll-up book from the angel and yam it. It did taste sweet like honey in my mouth. But after me yam it, it make me stomach turn sour. Then them tell me say, you have to go give message again about what God plan for whole heap of people from whole heap of country. And we talk all sort of language. And to know king too. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.